What up, guys? Let me get set up here. Let me make sure that this is gonna fucking take in Google Chrome. Fucking right. Okay, let's pop on here. Pop up the stream. Let me get set up here. But this is gonna fucking take in. Doing a little bit of a late stream tonight. This, run this here, Discord. Okay, let's pop on here. Pop up the stream. Doing a little bit of a late stream tonight. Let me slap that like button. Run this here, Discord. I'm gonna just let Nightbot catch up. And I'll start up the music. I don't know if the audio is balanced, the music, honestly. Music might be overpowering my voice, but I'm not really sure. All right, Nightbot. I just need you to catch up, brother. All right, sweet. Nightbot caught up. Go ahead and pin message. Awesome. Minimize this. We're gonna go ahead. We are getting very, very close to finishing off this website, man. So basically, we launched on Vercel last night. The first time I've ever launched anything on Vercel, which is pretty cool. See if this is in the background. Yep. Okay, we got this in the background. We are ready, chat. I'm on my Mac today, so we're just playing solo dolo with one screen. Take a look at this. That's not what we do, it's this. Does that not work? We're pretty far away from the router, so I'm not sure if this is lagging because Vercel is down or why we can't really access this site right now, or why it's taking so long, I should say. Here we go. All right, we got 3 instances of it now. Let me see if they all read the same website. No, they all read differently. Careful, baby, don't put too much weight on this table. It's not the sturdiest. Yeah, we're in a little bit of a weird setup right now, guys. We're in the basement. So I wish this would go back to normal, where like the 3 dots to minimize and stuff. I don't know why it's like this, dude. Boom. No. Oh man, I just completely dragged it to a different screen. No! Yes, okay. No, motherfucker. Damn, dude. This is gonna drive me nuts. Alright. It's good. Sneeze. Oh, shit. I'm good. Not a big sneeze, ladies and gents. It's okay. Alright. Let's go ahead. I don't think there's that much left. I guess we can't really single screen this. Do want to test the mobile layout. Somebody showed me this the other day. I'm not exactly sure how to do it on... Oh, there we go. There we go. That's exactly what I was looking for. Yeah, we need to full screen this. Can't do half screen, man. Sucks. Okay. It looks pretty good, other than like the text being a little bit off, which I don't know that I'm gonna worry too much about, honestly, on this site. I don't think that's really that big of a deal. I mean, we can make this admin console a little bit more user friendly, I suppose. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much unusable. On mobile, the admin page is pretty much unusable because the nav bar takes up too much screen real estate. We need to fix this and make it more mobile optimized. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna launch the site locally as well. You're gonna see me keep popping in here, guys. Let me take a look at Telegram too. All right, let's launch the agent manager. Let's do handy. Boom. It doesn't even want to stay open anymore. I gotta be a little bit careful on my usage too, because I'm running out of usage as well. I think we can set up the Facebook and Instagram OAuth now. I got approved to be a Facebook developer or whatever through my business. What did I want to put here? What was it? What was it? What were we gonna do? I can't remember what I was gonna do here. So I guess maybe we'll start working on the OAuth if I can figure out how to do that. I gotta keep looking, make sure nobody's commenting on here. Facebook developer app. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. I should be signed in. Okay. I don't know how this works, so hopefully I'm not leaking any information that is private here, because I'm actually not sure. I got business verification done. Maybe I'm not all set to go. Okay. Might as well just give it all this information. We're not going to use it all, but might as well just fucking do it. Dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see what the next check is. Review and complete testing requirements. Oh, don't worry about that. Let me see how the stream sounds real quick. I don't even know if the stream is coming through, man. Can't even hear it. Let me pause the music for a sec. Make sure that that there's volume on the stream, and then we'll get back to. I don't even know if the stream is coming through, man. Can't even hear it. Um, let me pause the music for a sec. Make sure that that there's volume on the stream. All right, so the music needs to be bumped up a little bit for sure, for sure. So let me go in here and test this out a little bit because I don't have anybody on here to test it. All right, that's good. We'll leave it at that. I think that is good. Testing data can take up to 24 hours to appear after successful test. Let's see if we can test this out, gang. How do we get an API key? Like, overall API key. Oh my gosh, bro. Mad annoying, dude. I guess. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Mobile friendly. Want you to launch the site locally. Alright, what was the other thing that we needed? Okay. I want you to generate a terms and conditions page for the site, as well as a privacy policy. This is owned. Oh, fucking A. Launch quick. Owned and operated within the USA in New York specifically, and only does business within New York State. I think that should be enough information probably to generate this. If it needs any more information, obviously just ask. Local host. Let me try this. Alright, cool. So when we're on mobile, as this is loading right now, it's now better equipped to be used now. Probably just gotta wait for this. It's not letting me really do much here. Okay. I don't know, like I said, this is either unclickable or it's just loading in. One or the other, I'm not really sure what. Okay. Let me see if that's accessible. Terms and conditions. Oops. Oh, I see now. This is what responsive does. Interesting. Huh. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Well, actually, we can't really... I'm not sure we're going to be able to use this until the site is live, actually. Now that I think about it. If we need a privacy policy. Because we would just be giving we'd be giving out a local link right now, which is absolutely useless to Facebook. They're not going to be able to do any testing on their end. How do I connect OAuth? Facebook. I have a dev account. Facebook. Alright, Facebook app ID, we have app secret settings, basic. Alright, I don't know how private this data is, so I'm just gonna full screen myself real quick. Here is my Facebook app secret. All right. All right, let's pop this secret in here. Here is my app ID. Boom. All right, let's go ahead. I want you to push these changes to GitHub. Bang, bang. Now this will work in the background now. Let me check. Right, we can take this off my face right now. Oh, and there's no, I just realized there's no music going on when it's on my face. Forgot about that.
It looks like we're having an issue here, so hopefully, I know we were running this on the Mac yesterday, so Oh shit. It's not working. Fuck, dude. Damn it. Yeah, bro, I don't think it fixed this section. What the fuck is this, dude? What the fuck is that, bro? What are you looking at? What looks good?
Guys, I'm hanging in here. You can see me fucking nodding out here. Like fucking just drifting off to sleep. Just one of those days, I suppose. Alright, what else can we do to this site, man? At some point it's gonna be done. What else can we do to this site to make it better and improve it? Would 3D designs and animations make this better for a bakery? Or is the UI pretty... Or is the front end pretty solid for this website? Bro, ain't no way. Okay. That's what I thought. I didn't think there was any way that that was the lowest that this chair goes. Bam. I want to see what models do I have access to over here. Oh, yeah. That's huge. Okay, buddy. Thanks for reminding me of that, man. Yeah, we need to get gift cards available for ordering on the store. We need to add gift cards to the site. Does Stripe offer, or not Stripe, does Square offer a way to do this? Can we give them their own dedicated spot, dedicated page, and I want anybody to be able to purchase one of any value. Alright, this is done. Pushing to GitHub. Let's leave this open so I don't forget about it. That's fine. Local site launch. Cool. Yup. Okay. Looks good. Check my phone. I wish there was a way other than signing into my phone on the video. I wish there was a way to see the comments on my phone or something. Bro, I can't believe Teddy Myers is a liar. This video is 2 seconds long. Can't believe that guy. Messed up. He would mislead us like that. Alright, now I might not need to worry about this thing freaking tweaking up in the corner and stuff. What quality of life features or different things could we add or fix about this bakery site, or is it pretty much polished with everything it needs? See what happens, guys. Let me see. How did I do that? I wonder. Can I like throw this over here? Boom. Like I can have this on one screen and then I can like 3-finger click. Oh fuck. That didn't work. That didn't go as planned, guys. Yeah, that's not gonna work. upgrades are done. I've sent you 6 frames from the new failed category render. Here's what changed based on competitive research. Keyword color highlighting. Every subtitle word gets auto-classified. Positive words, red. We got zoom punch. Clips get a quick 1.4. Tighter lines. Max 5 words per caption line. Was 6. Bigger. Check the frames. Let me know if you want to render all the hyperframes in this style. I don't think the subtitles need to keep animating in towards the bottom of the screen. I think they can appear in the same place with sort of pop in animation with easing. Alright, let's see what this does. We asked this quality of life features. This is still cooking up something. I guess it doesn't want me to drag this out of here. Alright, we're adding in the gift cards. We're looking for quality of life stuff. Freaking Hyperframes is going in the background with Hermes. Wow. We got 22 hours left of our usage. I don't think we're gonna blow through this. I just clicked on the same exact thing. I did not mean to click on that. Alright, let's close out Vercel. Hopefully no API keys pop up, because that would be really annoying. Whoops. Okay. Okay. The catalog has 18 products across 7 categories. We can only filter by category. Customers who want gluten-free or chocolate have to browse visually. A search bar plus sort options, price featured, would significantly improve discoverability. That's irrelevant. We don't need to do that. Mobile Hero still may have issues. Not sure about that. Custom cakes not linked. Let me go to that real quick. Slash custom cakes. Custom dash cakes. Boom. Alright, we can just get rid of this whole page. We do not need that. Get rid of this page. We do not need it. Okay, so we're getting rid of that. Orders page shows past orders, but there's no reorder button. One click. Reordering from order history is the easiest way to drive repeat business. Okay, that's smart. We should implement that. Okay. Do 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 do. I want this. Cart upsell frequently bought together. This. Delivery zone checker earlier in the funnel. Customers only this one. Checker on the homepage. No, because pretty much everybody that comes on here is going to be accepted. Seasonal limited edition badge visibility. Products have a badge field. Limited edition, but it doesn't appear to be prominently displayed on products cards. Oh shit. Fuck me. Alright, let's do this. Man, oh man. I want this guy. Bro, how am I supposed to access? Okay. Definitely want this. Let's take a look at usage. Alright, that faded away. The logo just looks crushed right now. Not sure what's going on with that. We need to fix that. Let's see if anybody... Yo, Brahim, what's good, brother? Yeah, I only got one monitor today, bro, so I don't know if you're still in here or not. I don't know when this was. But you posted in the chat, dude. How you doing, man? We down in the basement right now. Vibing in the trenches. Verify your Square account has gift cards enabled in the Square dashboard. Account settings, business, Square, gift cards. Okay. Let me see if this is implemented properly. Nice, that looks clean. That looks clean. Okay. Does it auto fill out information or does it have my information in the slots? Because we don't need my information in the slots. That is not going to be useful to a customer. Let me see if you're still here, Raheem. Yo. Yo, thank you, bro. And I'm glad you spanked the like button, bro, instead of slapping it. Gotta stay on top, dude. A little bit different. It's a bit different, bro. Both files already existed but were incomplete. Here's what I updated. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. There's mad stuff to go through here. Let me see if I can pull this over some more. No, of course not. Sucks, man. Come on, my boy. I guess there's really no way for me to like test this. Like that's like some fucking I don't know what this shit's called, honestly. Wait a second. Did I just X out the wrong thing? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Checkout success page could drive more engagement. Okay, chat widget, reply preference. Nah, that's fine. We got tracking in the dashboard, so that's good. Like, they don't really need a, like, this isn't like this kind of bakery. Not gonna be doing that much tracking, so. Checkout success page could drive more engagement. I guess we'll do this. The success page currently shows the order ID, track my order link, could also show referral code. Yeah, why not? Okay. Alright, that didn't fucking work. The only thing is we changed this. It's not a daily spin anymore. So maybe I should. Yeah, that's actually really good though. Social sharing. That could be big. That could be big. Let's do that. Fuck. Want to add this. Alright, let's see, Brahim. Let's see, man. Thank you, feller. Didn't want to change that video anyways, so I'm not sure why it was doing that. Let me see what it says as far as people on the video. Let me see if you're still here. Nope, you might have left, maybe? I don't know. It's hard to tell sometimes. It's not always accurate. Loading boundaries. Okay, what did we do here in this prompt? I want missing error loading boundaries. Okay, so we're not staring at a blank screen anymore. See if that's working. Fuck. Oh, the server might have died. That I also don't know why that happens sometimes. Maybe I should just let it do its thing, honestly. Because it's fucking tweaking this, tweaking that. Maybe the server's still up and just one of these things knocked it out real quick. Let's see. Alright, all these are done. I know this has been removed. Removing the custom cakes. Yep, that's done. I don't know exactly what this is talking about reordering. Oh, right. Alright, let's see now. Nope. Busted. Let me check the chat. Pop on here every once in a while. Alright. I suppose though, if the server's not running, we won't need to worry about the server thing up anymore. We won't be able to test this because we don't have that environment, the test environment set up right now, unless we do a real purchase. So we'll have to test that out another time. Let me make sure that there's nothing else on here. This is a good idea, but I don't think we really need it, honestly. This song's fire, bro. Plugged out and stopped running. That or it's just broken. This is really good, dude. I like this fucking song a lot. Right now, the logo is really squished on the nav bar. Can you fix this, please? All right. Let me see how this is doing. Subtitles now pop in place instead of sliding up from the bottom. Each line scales from 0.6 to 1.0 with a springy bounce. Yeah. Don't know if these are staying in place, man. Oops, something went wrong. What the fuck is that, dude? When the site loads... See, this is fine. The one on Vercel is fine. Wait, maybe it just fixed. Hold on. Alright, let's see. I think it might have fixed. Let's see. Yep. Go ahead and push these changes to GitHub. Alright, so let me just test this out. Let me look. Sweeten your order with some cookies. Okay. Good, we can X that out. Actually, let me make sure that it functions. Boom. Yep. Pushing changes to GitHub. Push to GitHub. X that out. Add reorder button. Let's go and see. It might not work since we haven't purchased anything after. So let's find out. I don't know if that worked. Let me make sure it didn't add this onto the admin section because that would be a mistake. Alright, not sure if this worked or not. So this added something new to Supabase. So yeah, I don't think it would have got that. So we'll just exit out for now. I think it should be fine. Logo pops up fine now. This is good. What is this? What is this over here? Square gift card. Integration and dedicated page. Let's see what happens when we actually try to order a gift card. Okay, so that at least gets to checkout, choose an amount, pick a preset amount or enter any value from $10 to $500, add a personal message and send directly to their inbox. They enjoy, they use the gift card number at checkout for any of our handcrafted treats. Okay. I don't know, looks good, man. Looks good, sounds good to me. Let me go ahead and check the YouTube channel real quick. See what's going on here. Some stuff at the top of the page. Let me make sure it doesn't do that on here. No. Not a big deal. Probably a simple fix too if I wanted to change that for the admin page, but no need really. Let me see. It's building out the current one. When is the last working version? 45 minutes ago. Okay, and it took 8 minutes to build, so we still got a little bit of time. I think this is pretty much set up, man. Do 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 do. All right, chat. I think this is this website's pretty much done. Gonna just get it fully set up with some test stuff behind the scenes, but that's API codes anyways. So I'll just do that on my end, and yeah, we'll kind of just explore this thing a little bit more. We're gonna need to figure out a project to work on um, for tomorrow. You know, probably be a later stream again tomorrow, I assume, because it's Mother's Day, and you know, gonna be hanging out with Bree. We're gonna celebrate her first Mother's Day, you know, as like a family together. Um, my fiance and our kid, and yeah. So, you know, it's that time of the night where if you guys need a website, feel free to come over to Fiverr. Chat with me here. If you need a website, an app, anything and everything can be done at this point in time, man. We're building it all. One site or app at a time. Killing it, man. Anyways, yeah, if you need a website, if you need an app, come over to Fiverr. The link should be right on my profile. The other thing is, if you are a vibe coder like me, if you want to learn how to vibe code, if you need any help with vibe coding, feel free to join the Discord. That should either be in the description, linked on my profile, pinned in the comment section, ton of different places. So yeah, otherwise guys, if there's any moms out there, I hope you have a fantastic Mother's Day. Family is truly amazing and super important. Shout out to all you moms out there, man. And I'll catch you guys soon. Alright. Peace.